Greetings. Last time we were looking at a module that is used for internal communication in a company. Today we are going to look at another module which is used to keep contacts of a company or a business. This module is used mostly as a contacts book, and maybe we generate contacts as we do business. Over some time you find yourself losing some contacts, maybe because when they gave you the business card you didn't keep it so well, or maybe when you wrote them an invoice, that paper of the invoice you cannot trace it. So this module contacts here helps you to manage all your contacts. So when you click on contacts, you will be directed to a pool of all the contacts that you have in your system, and the system will allow you to have as many contacts as you can, depending on the communications and business transactions that you have. And these contacts can be even your employees, your suppliers. They can also be your customers. They can be also your partners. So anyone who does business with you or who has a transaction with you can also as well be kept in this contact book. And mind you, whenever you're creating anything to do with the business, any transaction to do with the business, you automatically create a contact, and you have it all accumulated here, and you can always visit it and see. And from here you can see the contacts has got this search bar here. You can search anything. Like for example, here I can just type blue and it will give me all the contacts that have got blue in it, like here blue diamonds deals here, etc. So this search bar becomes very handy whenever you have a whole lot of a pool of contacts and you want to select a few using the search tool. Yeah, and you can also use filters. You can filter the contacts to individuals so that you have only individuals. You can also filter using companies, and then you only have companies as that. You can also filter by customer, and then you only have customers. You can filter by vendor, and then you only have vendors, etc. Again, here you can use group, and you can group by company, and you have the groups as indicated by company. Here you can see there are about 3 known companies, and these ones are undefined. You can also group by country, so you group them by country, and it will show these are from undefined and Belgium, United States, and Malawi, something like that. You can also add your own custom groups depending on what you want to have these contacts arranged. Another tool that I would want to show you here is on how to create a contact. So you can come here and push a create button. This will open you a window where you can put the particulars of a contact, either it's an individual, a company, and then you put their name here, their address, the tax ID, the phone numbers, and the email, either they have a website or not, and then you also put their image here. Yeah, so this is quite a very good way of keeping contacts. If it's a company and then you have got some contacts within that particular company, you can add them here and they'll be added so automatically. You can also add their details here, maybe of a salesperson whom you're dealing with, and the payment terms, etc. And the salesperson can be your sales representative that always communicate with them. And then you can also have a platform where you can put their bank accounts or their bank account details, so that maybe when it's time for you to pay them or maybe to invoice them, you do not have much of a big deal. Yeah, so that is how you can create a contact. Once all that information is put in here, you push save, and then the contact will be created and it will be saved here. Yeah, so in brief, that's how you can use the module called the contacts. You can go ahead and create your your contacts and put all the contacts here. The good thing about this system is when you put your contacts arranged in this manner, you will not have it a problem whenever you're using any of the modules to select the contact which you have already created. Otherwise, if you haven't created a contact, it doesn't necessarily mean that you cannot do business with them. Only that when you've been doing business with them for the first time, you have to create them as a contact of your business. So in brief, that's how the module of the contacts works. Thank you so much, and let's meet in the next tutorial of the next module.